Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D. In today's video, we are doing July's BoxyCharm. This box looks a little small to be honest, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. Alright, so this month's theme box is gonna be FantaSea. That's really cute. I really like this picture with like the little pearl and the little starfish. I really love like underwater stuff. It's really cool. So we're just gonna go down this list and see what we got and add it all up and see how much it's worth. The first thing I got in here is this Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Hydrating Complexion Trio. This is what the packaging does look like, and let's see what the inside looks like. This is what the inside of the palette does look like. Very pretty. It looks like we've got kind of like some highlights kind of all over her face and maybe like a bronze. A nice like little face trio. It says Alamar Cosmetics Brightening and Bronze Complexion Trio. Add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze, brighten your look. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind. They are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid. For hydrating, buttery smooth finish, it's vegan and cruelty-free. This retails for $25. Oh, that's kind of cool. That it has hyaluronic acid infused into the powder. That's really interesting. The next thing is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. This is the little packaging. And this says this is going to nourish and balance scalp and hair with its hydrating elixir. From nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan oils and almond oils, this plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. This retails for $79. It's kind of expensive. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, just looks like, you know, another oil. Just a little dropper thing. That's kind of cool. Very, very interesting. I've never really seen something like this. The next thing in here is the Masky. So this is the Masky. This is a vitamin-infused eye serum. The delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types. This retails for $63. This is a really big size, like, eye serum. I mean, this is a full fluid ounce. I don't think I've ever seen like an eye serum like this large, like ever. Next thing in here is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Finally, a liquid highlighter, y'all. I've been asking for something like this. So a plumping liquid highlighter. Why is it plumping? I don't get it. Okay, it says a plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting system. Vin Uplift. To firm and tighten fine lines, this pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin radiant, luminous glow. This retails for $25. This is in the shade French Pearl. Oh, that's cute. Just let you see the color a little better. It's kind of like a champagne color. Very pretty. Cool. I wonder what the applicator looks like. I'm really curious. It is, oh, this is a massive doe foot. Like, look how huge that is. Last thing in the box is the $1 Billion Brows on Point brow pencil. It's a micro pencil. When precision matters, the Brows on Point micro brow pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and can create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. This retails for $16. So not too bad for a brow pencil, and it looks like it has like a fine tip and a little spoolie at the end. This is in the shade Taupe. I always need new brow stuff because I'm constantly wearing my brows. All right, so let's go ahead and add this up and see how much this box is worth. Alrighty, so I went ahead and added up the entire box. It came to a total of $209 when I only paid $25 for the entire box. So honestly, with the hair serum, it made up for itself almost 3 times. That's really awesome. This box was okay. I'm not like too impressed, but I am really glad I got a liquid highlighter, like really happy because I've been looking for these, and just really haven't found one at all. So really glad about that. I'm kind of excited about this complexion trio. Really excited to see how this works and just to try it out. So all right, y'all, this completes July's BoxyCharm base box. I will see you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.